Recording.
Hey, good afternoon. It is a happy Friday afternoon. It's 1 o'clock. 87 degrees in Tellico Plains. It was 80 all the way up here. 80 all the way up here. Even by the cop on Tennessee 68, it was 80 degrees. As soon as you hit Tellico Plains, 87. I cannot wait to get to the top of the Cherohala Skyway to where it will be hopefully about 75 degrees. Hopefully. So I already know where one Monroe County deputy on a Harley Davidson is. I'm hoping the other one on a Harley Davidson is at home today. And I hope the BMW is somewhere other than on the Cherohala Skyway. And maybe we'll get lucky and there won't be any SUVs parked on the side of the Skyway shooting laser. That laser beam is sneaky. I'm hoping these people in front of us decide they're going to lunch or something up here and turn off. Because they do not know that the Cherohala Skyway is 40 miles an hour. To them, it's just another 25 mile an hour road. Why wouldn't it be? Look at that house. Wow. Wow. How cool is that? Please go get a hamburger. Please pull off and get a hamburger. Please pull off and get a hamburger. Nope. Nope, not today. Not today. I guess I gotta pass them. I don't think Tennessee's ever going to fix the Cherohala Skyway. Ever. Well, there's the Corvette Club, all of them. All right, welcome to the Cherokee National Forest. Here's your history lesson. The Cherohala is Cherokee National Forest and the Nantahala National Forest. It's where they meet. So that's where that name comes from. That'd be an excellent place for a cop to sit. It's very difficult to go 40 miles an hour on this road. It would be like making the entire interstate system 55 again. Some of you all might be too young for that, but yeah. Back in the 80s, all the interstate highways were 55 miles an hour. Just as recent as the 80s. And then slowly but surely they started bumping that speed limit up. There are some places that 70 mile an hour just isn't fast enough on the interstate. I like the ones in Texas that are like 75 and 80 mile an hour. That's another good place for a cop to sit. cop on Tennessee 68 was already busy. He was collecting revenue. It'd be nice if law enforcement would go after crimes instead of speeders. Look at that old hoopty Lincoln in front of us. So Wednesday when I came through the other way, there was one sitting here. Nah, he was farther down. He was back the other way. Because he was backed in. He was backed in after that that hard right-hander. Wow, this car hasn't had a tune-up in 20 years. Ask me how I know and I'll smell you. I mean, I'll tell you. No one is tapping their helmets, but I don't think if you're riding a trike, I don't think you care. Please use the pull-off. Please. Please, kind sir. Please use the pull-off. Please, 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 please use the pull-off. Please. Please. Oh, thank you. I went from bad to worse. You know the Lincoln Town car was catching these Harleys. Oh no, there's more. I almost slayed the dragon today. And I said there's no way. With all the Mini Coopers that were up there on Wednesday, there's 5 times as many today. And then I was going to go down into Georgia, and I was like, no. If I do 28, there's going to be all the tourists along the waterfalls. I said, I'll just run the Skyway, take my chances. This Jeep's at 30 miles an hour.